Okay, what is up, people? I'm back. I am recording. I recorded 2 videos in one day. Who is this? Who is she? Is she me or is she somebody else? I don't know for real. But I'm actually recording 2 because I wanted to show you guys my new lashes. So I have been wearing these lashes, right? Everybody has been complimenting me every time around. They are my freaking favorite. So I wanted to do a video on it for like months now. I just never got around to it. So now, since I just did an eyebrow video, if you haven't checked that one out, you should go check that one out now or after this video. I'm gonna show you guys. So I already have had my kit. It comes with some eyelash tweezers, glue, right? So it comes in this box. It has size 10 and 15 or 10 and 13 lashes or something like that. But I bought my own because they give you like the subtle soft lashes and I wanted to try the volume. So I got 14 and 16 volume lash. So theirs doesn't come with the volume lash, it just comes with natural lash. I really wanted to try these. I just wanted to show you the box that it came in, but mine is empty because I've been using it. But it comes with 2 tubes of glue, tweezers, and then I think it comes with a spoolie as well. I don't know where my spoolie went. Oh, I found it. So it comes with this spoolie. I'm the worst, right? I could have showed you guys like a full whatever. You guys get the point. I'm not a makeup guru, so here we are. I'm gonna do 2, so you can see their little clusters. I'm gonna do 2 14s in the front and 2 16s on the edges to give me like a cat eye effect. And I just wanted to show you these because I like that they go on the outside of your lashes because it eliminates the strip. I've always hated the strip. I have kind of bulgy eyes, so the strips never stay down for me. Like, they always lift or something. I don't even know if it's my eye shape. I think I just don't know how to fucking use them. So, here we are. And I'm about to try these. Yay! I'm excited. I've been wanting to try them, but you guys don't understand. Like, when you take a break from recording videos, because when I first started a YouTube channel, I was posting all the time. But then once you take that good break, it's hard to get the momentum back. So I literally would not allow myself to try these before making the video because I kept just like, whatever, I'm not gonna make the video. I was like, no, we're doing this. So here we are, making the video. And I don't know, I lost my thought. It was gone. It's gone, whatever. And I like how it came with, oh, that's what the thought was. I like how it came with so many because the kit gives you like a little circle. This gives you, how many? 48 pieces. I've tried to reuse them in the past. It works kind of, but you start losing strands of hair. So this is the 2 14s. Let me show you how you do it. So you take the glue, right. And it has like a little wand and you put the mascara, you put it on like it's mascara on your lashes. You gotta put a decent amount. In the beginning, the first time I tried it, I just put a little bit. No, you have to put a reasonable amount because they will not stay. But when you put a reasonable amount, them bad boys last for a couple days, okay? All right, so put a reasonable amount of glue on them. Right. Okay. We did that. Let me get the tweezers. Yee. Okay, so you grab, and then you literally just go like this. Okay, second. I don't want the glue to dry, so I gotta go quick. So this is the second lash cluster, also 14. Okay, now we're going in with the 16. Okay, one more. Glue is drying, I can feel it. Yay. You guys see how freaking easy that was? When I do them fucking strips, you don't understand. you don't understand how long I be sitting in this mirror. Ooh, I love these. Bad bitch, sad bitch, bad bitch. I love them. So while we wait for these to dry, and I'm actually glad that I tried this myself first so that I don't make a fool out of myself fumbling with them. Because the first time was not this smooth. Okay, so lashes. Like mascara. I do like 3 coats. Oh no, I put a little bit too much. That section, okay, it's fine, it'll dry. E14. It's like you drag them up slightly. That one didn't stick. Here we go. This on. Okay, 2 14s. Oh shit. 2 16s. I dropped it. Yay, 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 yay. You guys, bam. Like, is that not so much easier and quicker? Is that not like no strip? You guys. And then I wait for them to dry, and then I can use my spoolie. So my one tip when you buy these, because you need them, is to make sure you buy eyelash remover. The glue on this is not the kind you can tear off. You will remove all of your eyelashes. So patiently with the lash remover, take them off gently, leave the cotton pad on there for a reasonable amount of time, because if you do not, honey, no, you won't have any eyelashes. They'll be gone. They'll be bald. I did it, so don't do it. Don't be like me. I was so upset. I had like 1,000 bald spots in my eyelashes. Yay! Put some on my bottom lashes. I wonder if they make these for the bottom. That would be kind of cool to try. I cannot believe how pretty they are. I look like a bad bitch today. Yay! Ow! They look so good! What do you guys think? Don't they look nice? Looks like I literally got individuals when I did not. I tried individuals. They are such a vibe, but they are such a task to keep up for me. And I just really don't like the stress. Like, I don't know. Individuals for me were just extremely stressful. I kept like, I just didn't like it. There were so many reasons I didn't like it. I didn't like the weight of the glue. I didn't like how your makeup gets in them and they're like kind of hard to clean. I didn't like that I can't remove them without having to pay $100 fucking to get them refilled. I don't like, what else didn't I like? Sometimes they would itch and I would just want to take them off so bad. Like, I don't like things permanently on my face. Like these, I can wear for a couple days by choice. And then if I remove them with some eyelash glue, everything's all Gucci. I can slap them bad boys right back on tomorrow. Versus individuals, when I got sick of those, I just was like, you gotta go. And then now I don't want to pay $100 and some to get you back on. I just didn't like it. It wasn't for me. I did it twice, but I felt very cute in them. It just was, I don't know. I'm a natural queen, so I feel at my best when I just have nothing on, no makeup, no weave, no, like this is just my poof. I don't even really, I wear wigs from time to time, but I don't really wear weaves. And my wigs, I don't even glue my wigs down. I just put them on my head. I do not like things attached to me other than braids. I can do braids for some reason, I don't know why. But like when it comes to wigs and weaves and lashes, and it's like, I'm like fake girly. I'm girly, but I also rather just also be in my bonnet, no makeup, no lashes, just chilling. So I think that's why I opt for these. I think these are a go-to for me. They are. I've repurchased many times. They are a mandatory product in my book because the strips, I tried all of it. I tried the strips. I tried the magnetic. They also kept lifting. Those are the closest ones. Like before these, I was using the magnetic ones. Then I tried, what did I say? I tried the clusters, but on top, didn't like those. I tried to do my own individuals, burnt my eyes. This is it. No strip. And I'm loving the volume instead of the natural. Like I love the volume. Yes. I feel so cute. I also have some hair content coming for you guys. I'm doing a Mish beauty review. I'm waiting for my products to get in the mail. I'm so excited because a lot of 4C queens, low porosity queens seem to love it. So I can't wait. And I do not touch my regimen type of person. So I'm kind of excited to finally, please don't disappoint me. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. I actually have been on the hunt for a good deep conditioner and a good shampoo for years. I just kind of stopped searching because I got tired of being disappointed. But I saw a lot of natural queens love Mish, and I noticed that they continue to use it in their future content as well. So I'm looking forward to that. So stay tuned. I have a few videos coming out. I hope you guys continue to watch. If not, it's cool. It's cool, bitch. Whatever. I'll still be here living my best life. But until then, I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.